G'day trendsetters, today I'm talking elephant garlic. Now, I'm an elephant garlic virgin, and this is even the first time I've even held garlic, elephant garlic. Never tried it, never eaten it, never grown it, but here we go. I got mine from Green Harvest. They're an online nursery seed supply company up in Maleny, hinterland, Sunshine Coast. They have a great little website, great diversity, great range, and everything always seems to grow when I get stuff from Green Harvest. So if you want anything, go check them out. But I've got this little area here that I cleaned up just the other day. It's basically virgin soil as well, so I'm really going to get stuck into it. I've got a whole bucket of compost here. I've got the Searles 5-in-1, which is just your, they call it an organic fertilizer, but it's also a good soil conditioner. And I've got the gigantic from Nutrog. But first things first, the Green Harvest send this little info leaflet out with their plants, and it's got a little section here on the elephant garlic, and it goes, the botanical name is Allium Amperloparaceum, something along those lines. Plant description is elephant garlic is not a true garlic, but is closely related to a leek. It is very hardy with large blue-green strap-like leaves. The flower stalks, and this is the interesting part that I need to work out, it's all about the flower stalks and stuff. And it goes, the flower stalk can be up to 2 meters high. Large pink or purple flowers appear in spring and summer. The bulbs weighing up to 500 grams, I guess that's where it gets the elephant name from, form under the soil, reaching 10 centimeters in diameter and consisting of 5 or 6 large cloves surrounded by small bulblets. Plants that do not flower, this is the important part, plants that do not flower often form only one large symmetrical clove known as a round rather than a bulb. A bulb would be consisting of 5 or 6 cloves. Plants grown from rounds or from very large cloves usually form a large bulb with several cloves and a flower stalk the following year. So elephant garlic tends to alternate between the production of cloves and the production of rounds, and goes to seed only every second year. Elephant garlic does best in rich, deeply cultivated, well-drained soil and likes full sun. It is a useful home garden vegetable, especially in warmer, more humid climates where true garlic is difficult to grow. So down along the coastal fringe of Eastern Australia, where else are you going to go? Over in Western Australia, yeah, that's probably the main areas. It says here it can grow from tropical to temperate regions, so even if you do get a bit cool, I'd still give it a go. Where was I? I was watching a video the other day and somebody was scraping the snow off their bloody elephant garlic, so I guess it can take a fair bit of cold. But that's about it. Recommended planting time in cool climates, plant in autumn or spring. In warmer climates they can be planted in spring, autumn or winter. I'm in autumn and they're going in today. The top of the bulb should be about 5 centimeters below the soil, and that's what we will do. So I won't bore you with the soil conditioning. I'll get that done and come back and I'll pop these in the ground. That'll be it, job done. If you're not an elephant garlic virgin, then and you've got any tips for me, please by all means let me know in the description. I'm kind of feeling a little bit excited about growing these. I have read about them and heard about them over the years, but this is my first attempt. All right, onto the soil. It's amazing what a few swings on a Matic can do. I had a big root in there from a Celtis tree. I had to dig out, so I had to take my jumper off because it's quite warm now. But I have 1, 2, 3, I have 6 cloves here, and once I get into this little green bag, I wonder if I could save it. ideally, I just wanted to mention, ideally that all that soil preparation would have been better if I'd done that 2 weeks ago. But what's that old saying? The best time to plant a tree. The best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Same goes with the soil. Best time to prepare the soil was 2 weeks ago. Second best time is now. So from the tip of the clove, so I'm going to need to get down at least that far, which now that I've just turned it all over, it's going to be quite easy. There we go. And 30 centimeters apart, which is a foot. It's about 2 hand spans for me. Nice and deep, and in goes the last one. Oh, last one for this row. I'll do another row about 40 centimeters apart and diagonally opposite. So right about there. 1, 2. Now the only job I have left after this is to give it a really good thick mulch with that sugarcane mulch that I've been using. I should have bought some sticks to let myself know where my rows are. Just have to improvise. There we go. Right, that's it. Bit of a disorganised, disjointed video, but I just wanted to show what I've done so far to get my elephant garlic into the soil. I hope you found it useful in some way, and like I said previously, if you've got any comments or any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe to this channel, means a lot to me, helps my YouTube world go around. And if you're trying elephant garlic for the first time as well, please let me know, and let me know how you go. But it sounds like fun, if anything. I mean, a 500 gram clove's got to be about that big, isn't it? The size of an elephant foot, I suppose. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video, and bye for now. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, picking ants. One last thing, if you're still here, my soil is fairly moist, and sugarcane mulch was full of ants. It's fairly moist, so I'll just give it a good watering can, 10 litres of water for now, and I probably won't water again until I start to see some sign of growth coming up out of the ground. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. Bye.